Using rice water to strengthen and beautify hair isn't new. It dates back to the ancient Heian period in Japan, when court ladies were known to have beautiful, long hair that draped to the floor. Their secret was rice water. Fascinated by this hair treatment, scientists and beauty lovers alike have tried to find out if rice water can really beautify and strengthen hair. Studies have found that inositol, an ingredient found in rice water, is able to penetrate damaged hair and repair it from the inside out. It even protects hair from future damage. Now, here are how to make and also how to use rice water for hair. Ingredient: 1/2 cup uncooked rice, brown, white, long grain, short grain, jasmine, or whatever you have. 2 to 3 cups water. How to make rice water. Rinse the rice with about a cup of water to remove any dirt or impurities. Place the rice in a bowl and cover with water. Let the rice soak for 15 to 30 minutes. Swirl it around or lightly knead it until the water turns cloudy. This will help the vitamins and minerals seep into the water, creating a nourishing rinse for your hair. Strain out the rice water into a clean bowl. Your rice water is ready to use. How to use rice water for hair. After shampooing, pour the rice water on your hair. Gently massage your scalp and hair and leave it on for 4 to 5 minutes, or for 20 minutes if you have time. Then rinse your hair thoroughly with plain water. Use it once a week as a last rinse. This is the easiest, and one of the most noticeably efficient, DIY beauty products out there. If you're curious about this method, give it a try. Just don't forget to take the rice water into the shower with you. Overall, the experience has proven to me that the rice water hair rinse is indeed a hair hack. But it must be done regularly to maintain hair shine and promote hair growth. Then again, I suppose commitment is the only way any treatment can truly reap any visible and long-lasting benefits. I can feel a huge difference in my hair and I'm quite content with the results. I will definitely recommend this treatment to anyone who has very dry and frizzy hair.